available, press 2. Please hold while I transfer your call. Your call is being forwarded to a MyTel voicemail system. Extension.
Hey Kimberly, this is Stephen Forrest. My son Madden Forrest and daughter Sailor Forrest will not be at school today. We thought it'd be a good day to go fishing, so they're not sick or anything. Don't be alarmed. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Thank you. Savage.
Hey guys, what's up? This is the Sailor Lane Sports Fishing YouTube channel, and we're going to show you guys how to catch some cobia without a tower. So, a lot of people have towers, but we don't, so we just chum to catch cobia. So, we just have a simple eel on our reels over there, and every now and then we'll throw a Squid Life Lure on this IRT 200 with our loose rod, and that works just as good as anything.
Yep. So the cobia, what do they do? They why do they come to your boat?
The chum attracts them. There's a line of chum that they follow.
There's our chum bucket. So what exactly is chum?
It's like shredded up menhaden.
Perfect. Okay. So you shred up menhaden, you put it in the chum bucket, sink it to the bottom, let it flow out, and the cobia just come right to your boat?
Yep.
Awesome. So we're going to try that today. We're going to show you guys how to have some fun and how to do that. Like I said, while we're chumming, we got some eels on the bottom, but at the same time, we'll cast out our IRTs with some cobia jigs. We use Squid Life Lure Company, and like I said, that's effective as well. So let's see if we can get on some cobia. We skipped school today, so hopefully it was worth it, right?
Yep.
Let's go. Let's see what we got.
Ground menhaden here. We're just gonna throw that in there, wait for it to do its magic.
Perfect. Can you get that bucket top one? This the chum bucket top one? So this should hopefully bring the cobia right to the boat. Here, hold this. I'll get the top one. Top's gonna screw. Yep. Just talking about the brick. We also got a brick in there to help keep this on the bottom. You can also chum on top, but we like to chum on bottom. Really just a preference thing. Everybody kind of does it a little bit differently. Let her sink right to the bottom. Like I said, make sure you bring some bricks or something heavy to put in there. She kind of floats until she fills up with water. There she goes. Make sure you tie that off so you don't lose it. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our little cobia rig. This is a circle hook with a nice leader on it. Attach that to a rod up top here. You can see that. And then also catch like a 4-ounce weight. It's a little rough out here today, so I'm gonna make sure she stays on bottom. And then last thing I do is get an eel hooked up, and then we'll sit them on the bottom, and hopefully the cobia show up. There's a nice lolly one. You don't want these too big. Too big. The cobia are scared to mess with them. But yep, just get you an eel, get you a rag. Rag definitely comes in handy. For some reason, they always know where the hole in your boat is, so make sure you're quick with it. Once you can get a hold of them, these don't really typically bite you. See, look, he's going right to that hole. We just got these fresh, so they're nice and lively. There it is. There you go. Perfect. You see that? Hook right through the tail there. Now we're ready to drop him overboard and get eaten by a nice little cobia. So make sure your clicker's on. You got it on free spool. That way when that cobia takes it, he'll run. You'll hear that nice sound. So now we just wait.
Now we're dropping in our last eel. Now we just gotta wait for the cobia.
Put her on the bottom. Push on the bottom. Yep. Now put her in the rod holder. Yep, that's what you want. Get that nice loose clicker. Now hopefully the big girl will start biting, right?
Yep.
Hooked up. Got him? Cool, baby. How's he feel? They're good? Here, keep it in the water, keep it in the water. Bring it in. Got it. Alright, where you ride it? Good job. Nice. Release up. Pretty fish, go ahead and release it. It's gonna be a little drop more, leave guys. Okay. Better to get him out quick. Good job, give me some. Nice fish. Like this. Take this camera.
Got it.
Open it up for me. Got it? Alright, you got this. Put it down. Yep.
that one. Get him, get him.
Oh. It's hard to lift him now. Well, hold it.
There we go, there we go, there we go. Nice Cobia. Let's go, let's go. Got him. Woo!
Not easy to load, but we'll take it. Look should come right out. Whew. Good job. Next time we gotta do a better job of getting on the lines, but it was too fast. Ooh, that is a big boy. Got the measuring tape? Here, record me, you got it? Come up here, come on, get a picture of it. Got him?
Yep.
That is a nice boy.
Got him.
Healthy Cobia. All right, baby. Going back in the waters. You ready?
Yep.
Got him? We're gonna have a good fight. Watch it, ready? You have a little bit of a drop for you. Come on. There you go. Woo! Good job. Give me some. Give me some. We got the Cobia in. Not easy, but we got it, right? Good job. Pick it up. Brilliant. Take the clicker off. Got him. Don't play it yet. He's on there. Got him? Yeah, he's on there. This is a small one.
Oh, yeah, there's one.
Hold the rod up. Grab it with the left hand up here, up top. There you go. Oh, he's on there. He's just a baby. Oh, he got off right there, released to the boat. Got him. All right, come over here. Put the net down. Oh. Awesome.
Can you see it? Not a bad fish. Woo!
Got him.
In the boat.
There you go.
Wow, guys, what a great day of cobia fishing. We caught about 6 or 7 fish. We caught 2 slobs. Chumming is so much fun. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions about cobia fishing. So, I'm Madden, signing off for now. We're super tired. Like and subscribe. See y'all.